Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our English class. Let's see what's the objective of today's class. Okay, what are we going to learn in today's class? So, in today's class, we all will be able to identify and say the sound. We will be able to read the words. We will be able to listen to the word and write. So, there are three things that we are going to do. So, we have to be very quick. Let's see that we are not wasting any time and let's finish all the three objectives. Okay. So now what Didi will be doing is Didi will be showing you some sounds. Okay. There will be some sounds that you will see and you have to say it. But you can say it in your mind or you can say it to your mummy. If your mummy or your parents are next to you, you can tell them what the sound is. But I will be tagging you all. So whichever child I have tagged, only that child will unmute and say the sound. Okay. So let's begin. Shreya. Shreya, can you tell me what sound is this?
Set.
Okay.
Didi.
Okay, I just now said we are going to wait for our turn. Yeah. Okay. Who said stir? Okay, Sonakshi, what sound does it make?
Didi said. Stop.
Very good. Very good, Pooja. Very good. So the sound that see independently, this is sir and ter. Sir and ter. That's what Shreya read in the first round, right? Sir and ter. But when sir and ter, when they come together, they become stir. Stir. What is it? Everyone say stir. Practice saying it. Stir. Stir. Afzal. Okay, now it's Afzal's turn. Afzal, are you there? Huh. Afzal, can you unmute and tell me what sound is this? So sir and ter. Afzal. Stir. Bolo Afzal. Stir. Very good, Afzal. Very good. So it's stir. 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 Okay. Yes. Good job. Okay, next one I want Ria to try. Ria Patil, can you unmute yourself and tell me? You can read this as two separate sounds. S is what? Excellent, Ria. Excellent. So, when they come together, what sound do they make? Excellent. So, everyone start saying sk. Tell your mommy papa. Sk. Very good. Sk. Very good. Good job. Wow, you guys are doing really great in reading all the sounds. Okay. Next, I want, let me see who hasn't spoken yet. Okay, Daksh. Daksh, can you read the next sound?
Screw.
This one. I want to hear only Daksh, okay? Daksh. Daksh, what sound does S make? Okay. Daksh, let's read it independently. S says what, Daksh? S says S S says what? Okay, others, can we please go on mute? Okay, please stay on mute because I'm not able to hear Daksh at all. Daksh, tell me S says what? Unmute yourself, Daksh. Just tell me the sound of S. S says,
This is
okay, who was it? Who answered?
Pia.
Okay,
Pia.
Pia. Pia, thank you. But Pia, it's not your turn, bacha. It was Daksh's turn. Na? So let Daksh answer. Okay, Pia? Yeah, wait for Daksh and then you can help him if he doesn't get it. Okay, Daksh, can you say now? S says? Daksh, it's okay. It's okay. You can try. S says? Okay, Shruti, I'll ask Shruti to help you. Okay, Daksh. Okay, Shruti, can you tell me S says what?
SH में लिखा है SH
Yes, Daksh. S says sir. S says sir. And P says? Very good. So S says sir and P says per. So when sir and per, when they come together, now Pia, can you answer? Pia? Yes. Sir and per, when they come together, they make spur. Everyone says spur. Spur. Okay? Spur. Spur. Okay, let's recap the sounds again. Everyone says stir. Stir. Practice that. Keep saying it. Stir. What is this? Very good. Very good. Spur. Okay, everyone go on mute. Thank you. So remember these sounds, okay? Yeah. So now when we'll see these sounds, when we see them together as spur, skr, and stir, we will read them as stir. We will not read them as sutter. Okay, we will read them as stir, stir, stir. So remember, whenever you see these, we will read them as stir and not separate sounds. Okay, because they have come together and they are making one sound now. Okay. Now what we will be doing is we will be reading these words. Okay. Can you tell me who is talking? Chetna, can you go on? Nahi, nahi, we are not writing anything, okay? Wait. I want everyone to go on mute because I'm not able to hear anyone. Okay. Thank you. So we are gonna read these words. Yeah. And while you all are reading, just observe how these words are. Where do you hear the sound? Okay. So let's see. Anush. Anush, can you read number 1? First word. Can you break and read? Show your friends how you read it.
Stick.
Yes. So how do you break this word?
Stir. E C Sco.
So stir E, and this is together k. Okay, stir E k, stick. Yes. Now, whenever you all are reading, children, so read it like this: stir E k, stick. First, break the word and then read it together. Okay, no one is writing right now, so don't write. I will give you this on your WhatsApp group, so you can write arams at home. So don't worry right now. Just focus on reading. Okay, next, Pranav, second word. Pranav, second word.
Stag.
Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Pranav. But see how we are gonna read it. First, we will read like this: tag, tag. Okay, first you break the word and then you put it together. So your friends will also know how Pranav has read. Okay. Chalo. Next, Kirtana. Kirtana, read the third word. Kirtana, can you read the third word? Kirtana. Okay. हाँ बोलो. Third word, Kirtana. Third word. Kirtana, what is the first sound? What is this sound? Say this one. What is this? This. Third one, beta, not fourth, third. We are doing the third word. Very good. Stir. हाँ, आगे पढ़ो. Rakshi, wait.
Stir.
हाँ, stir. E says, Kirtana, E says,
சூடு பண்ணி தரேன். இந்தா ஏந்திரு.
Kirtana, E says, okay, Kirtana, E says, eh. Okay, so stir, eh. M says, okay, Pratik, can you read, Pratik?
Yes, ma'am.
Pratik, read the next word, third word.
Monster.
See the word, Pratik, stir, eh. What is this? M says, M says, M says, M says what?
STEM.
Okay. Okay. Pratik, you read that, na? You read that word, right? Yes, Pratik?
Yes, ma'am.
So children, this is something, no, Didi also observed when you were reading your assessment, when you read your oral sentences, this is something that Didi saw. Okay, you all say the spellings. STEM. Okay, we don't read these words with letters. So you don't say the letters. We say the sound of these letters. Yes. So we don't say STEM. We say stir, E says eh, M says mo. So it is st, eh, mo, stem. St, eh, mo, stem. Stem, Tanishka. Okay. Yeah. So remember that. So please remember not to say the spelling. We say the sound of these words. Okay. Now, if you saw the first three words, the sound stir, it came in the beginning. Okay, stir was in the beginning. Now look at these three words, 4, 5, and 6. Where is the stir sound? Is it in the beginning, in the middle, or in the end? Where is it? Niyati, where is the stir sound here?
I tell.
Yeah, Rakshit. Where is the sound? Stir sound here?
The best. Last. List. List.
List. Yeah. So when Tanishka, you read all the words, Tanishka. Bacha, we need to wait. Please wait for your turn, okay? Please. Yeah. So we have
Okay.
yeah. So see, this is how we read the word best. Best. I am asking you, when we read the best word, where is the stir sound? Where is the stir sound? Meera, can you tell me where is the stir sound? Is it in the beginning, middle, or end?
The end.
Yes, it's in the end. Right? Hello, Harsh.
It's in the end.
Yeah, it's in the end. So there are some words.
बेस्ट दीदी कह रही क्या बोल रहे हैं? दीदी हर्ष बेस्ट बोल रहे हैं बेस्ट.
Oh, very good, Harsh. Very good. Best. Harsh, can you read the next word? Number 5. Fifth word.
भैया मैम कह रही है इसको बोलो डस्ट. बोलो डस्ट. हाँ डस्ट बोलो.
Very good.
Dust.
Very good, Harsh. Yes. So it's st. Dust. Okay. Good job, Harsh. And
That's
last word. Vinay, can you read the last word?
List.
Very good. So it's list. Now,
Can I-
today's,
List.
yeah, in today's class, we are going to read some words with the beginning sound stir and some words with the ending sound stir. Same for here. Okay, next sound. We'll see that skr is in the beginning and skr is in the end. Yeah. So next, who is left? Alamdu. Alamdu, can you read the first word? Try Alamdu. Sir and what is this? Sir and ka? When they come together, what sound do they make? Alamdu. Bolo.
Morning, Didi.
Good morning, Alamdu. I'm so happy to see you here today. Okay. Okay, Alamdu, say ska. This is ska, Alamdu. Say ska. Alamdu, read ska. Ska. I says. Acha, you are on mute. Alamdu, you are on mute. Unmute करो. हाँ, वो माइक के बटन को दबाओ. नीचे रेड कलर का है ना, उसको प्रेस करो.
दीदी दीदी दीदी
हाँ
दीदी हमें ये होमवर्क में करके भेजना है.
हाँ Rakshit, I'll tell you what the homework is. Okay, so wait for your turn.
ओके दीदी.
Yeah. Rakshit, can you help Alamdu to read this word, first word?
Skit.
Alamdu, now read. बोलो Alamdu.
Skit.
E. Skit. Okay. Now next word. Okay, everyone go on. ठीक है. Aradhya, read the second word here. Aradhya.
दीदी
Yes.
मैं आए.
Yeah, Sonakshi, read. Sonakshi, read.
School.
You says you says So read now. Very good. L. Skull. Okay, next deep. Deep, read the third word. Deep, read this word. Read over here. What word is this? Here. Deep. Deep. Deep, read this word. It's not huh? Deep, it's A says a.
Next.
Okay, it's mask. Very good, Deep. Good job, Deep. Okay. Didi will be sending you all these words where you will read this, but we'll move to the next slide. Okay, let's read the next few words. Tejal, can you read the first word, bacha? Tejal, read the first word. Apurva, you will read the second word, Apurva. Number 2 after. हाँ. Is it sir? So what is sir and per together?
Spur.
Very good. Spur. Double O is oo.
No.
Double O is oo. Okay, so spur. Oo. No.
No.
What is it?
Spoon.
Very good, Tejal. Yes. Spoon. Very good. Next, I want Apurva. Apurva, read. After Apurva, Chaitra, you will read number 4, okay? Chaitra. After Apurva. Speed. Very good, Apurva. Speed. Excellent. And I like the way you broke the word first and then you got it together. Good job. Who was next? Was it Chaitra? Chaitra, I asked you to read the next word. Number 4. Hello, Chaitra.
Yes, Didi.
Yeah, can you read the next word?
Yes.
We are not writing anything, okay? Wait for Didi. Wait for, let's finish this first. Yeah, Chaitra, read.
S.
Wasp.
Wa. Wa.
Yes.
Bus.
Wasp. Wasp. Yes, very good.
Bus.
Very good, Chaitra. Very good. Okay. We will move to we are not reading all the words. Okay. Let's do just one word over here. Number 5. Let me see who hasn't answered. Akila. Akila, can you answer? Can you read number 5? Akila.
Didi script.
Let's break the word, Akila. Break the word first.
Script.
What is this? See, K and R. Kr. I said,
Script.
where is this sound? What is this sound together? Kr. A. What is S and P? Akila. What is S and P? What sound does it make when they come together? Akila, can you hear Didi? P, very good. So, Kr is P, crisp. Kr is P, crisp. Okay. Okay. Now we will be writing. Okay, so everyone quickly take out your notebook. And let's do some writing. Okay. Now Didi will be saying the word. Now when Didi says the word, you can break the word in your mind before you writing it. So say if I say spoon, so you will break the word. Spoon. Spoon. First you will break it and then you will write it. Okay. Yes, so let's do that. Let's do that. So everyone be ready with your notebook, pencil, eraser. Excellent. Okay, write your first word. Write the first word. Okay, write number 1. Can everyone please go on mute? Okay, now it's only listening time. Okay, so just listen to Didi. हमने जहाँ पे लिखा है ना, where we have written date and English class, below that write number 1. Your first word is skip. 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 Skip.
What is second word?
Wait, Rakshit, I'll tell you, okay? Yeah, let your friends also write. Skip.
दीदी
Next word.
आप लास्ट से क्यों बता रहे हो, फर्स्ट से क्यों नहीं?
Sonakshi, acha, whatever I'm saying now, you write that now, okay? Yeah. It doesn't matter where the sound comes, in the beginning or last. Whatever you hear, you write that. Okay? Okay, next word. Span. Span. Break the word in your mind and write. Span. Span.
What?
Span. Please stay on mute.
Pan.
Span. Don't say it. Span.
Span.
Okay, next one.
Span.
Kirtana, go on mute.
Span.
Okay. Okay, no saying done. Okay, you wait. I'll say the next word. Wait for Didi. Okay, your next word is
Span.
next word is our third word is fist. Fist. Fist.
दीदी क्या?
Fist. Fist. Fist.
Sure.
Vinay, stay on mute. Fist.
दीदी सेकंड वर्ड क्या था? सेकंड वर्ड क्या था?
Second was span. Span. Okay, number 4. So first is skip. Span. Third is fist. And number 4. Number 4 is hello. Mira, this is our English class, right? So let's speak in English. Okay, our next word is task.
दीदी, is this dictation?
Yeah, it's our dictation time. Okay, next word is task. 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 Task.
Span.
Okay. Last word. After we finish task, last word. Yeah, 4 words are done, Rakshit. Last 5th word. Priya, stay on mute. Okay. Aradhya, go on mute. Yeah. Last word is stamp. 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 Mira, go on mute. Stamp. Okay. Now I'm going to say all the words once again. Okay. You just check if you have written all the words. Okay. Your first word is skip. Skip. Your second word is span. Span. Your third word is fist. Fist. Number 4 is task. Task. 1 minute, bacha, 1 minute. And your last word is stamp. Stamp. Okay. So now so we are going to check our work now, okay? You will see the words and you will put a tick and a cross. If the word is correct, put a tick. If the word is incorrect, you will put a cross and write the word next to it. Write the correct word next to it. If you don't want to put a cross, it's okay. You can circle it or you can just write the correct word next to it, okay? So let's do the correction now.
दीदी फीट वाला बोला आपने?
Yes, stamp. 5th word is stamp.
We already did six.
No sixth word, just 5 words. Okay, so everyone take 2 minutes to correct these, correct your work.
लिखो ना दीदी.
नहीं, अभी आप चेक करेंगे. You will check. You have written all these words. यही words आपने notebook में लिखा है ना? Now check these words. See if you have written it correctly. And if not, it's okay. You can write
Didi.
next to it.
दीदी all correct.
Wow, all correct. You can write in the chat box. Use the chat box to show. Tell me if you have got all correct, all words right.
दीदी all correct.
In the chat box, write in the chat box. Rakshit got 5 out of 5. Payal also, Payal and Palak. What about Palak? I'm sure you are writing in 2 separate notebooks. Wow, everyone is getting 5 on 5. Good job. Okay. We are going to so this class will end in next 1 minute. Before that, let me quickly explain you the homework. So all these words, Riya, 1 minute. Give me a minute. So I will be 1 minute, bacha. The class will end in 1 minute. So let me just explain.